Hello, kitty corns! On today's vlog, we're going to look for tennis shoes, trainers, exercise shoes, running shoes, sneakers for Cat. Also in this episode, we're going to learn how to do B-roll like Peter McKinnon, or Cody Wanner if you're from that group of people that, yeah. So let's get started. This whole vlog is going to be shot on my iPhone. So for the B-roll, we're entering Academy Sports. We're gonna go ahead and get an establishing shot of the outside. We're going to do a pan up from the ground, a tilt up from the ground. Pan is left and right. And to make this more like how Peter McKinnon would shoot his B-roll, you wanna shoot at 120 frames a second. Something I wanna note in the process of doing this B-roll is that there's a lot of speed ramping with a motion that you use slow-mo to make look smoother. But that motion doesn't always have to be the same. It does help if you do a series of, say, left to right turns in a row, and you can use the motion blur at the front and the end of each clip to blur them together. But that's not necessary. You can do pans and tilts and moving in or out to get different effects and use any of the motion blurs to blur between each clip. You also can do straight cuts that just cut with the music to continue with the flow of your B-roll. So let's go look for some shoes. Okay, so we have the B-roll that we need. Now the magic really comes in with picking your song and retiming things in the edit. So let's head to edit this footage. Hello everyone, we're in the edit and we're gonna look at the first two clips. In this first clip, when I entered Academy Sports, I told you guys what we were gonna do, and then I flicked the camera away, and the next clip that I have selected, I actually come up from left to right for me onto a shoe. And even in that clip, I had to make sure that it found focus, so I did the action 2 times, which also guaranteed that it was all in slow-mo. What I found, especially with, say, the iPhone that doesn't go straight into slow-mo, is that, one, starting on the object that you're going to either move in towards or move out from, whip pan left to right, or do a tilt up and down, either way. It's better to start on the object, tilt off of it, tilt back on really quick, because the iPhone doesn't have time to find the new focus, and when it comes back and that object is there, it keeps that focus, usually. On my second clip, there's a portion here where the boxes of shoes are in focus, but right after this, like 1 or 2 frames, I whip up. That's actually where I want to start, because that way, the 2 clips, even without speed ramping either of them, the motion looks like it flicks straight into that next clip. And then we want to cut at the end, really at kind of the most extreme of the blur, or, yeah, I'm gonna go right there where it's really blurry on those boxes. Now, the next thing we can do is we can select this clip of the shoe and go through until the first moment where there's not really any motion. So like right here, I settle in. Select that spot, hit Shift B if you're using Final Cut Pro 10, and this is how you cut with a speed ramp. So you're cutting the time frame on the clip. You didn't cut the clip and then retime both pieces. You're actually cutting the time but leaving it as one clip, so it's gonna naturally fade the speed through both parts. On the first portion, I'm gonna select, next to normal, it has a down arrow, which will give you the option slow, fast, normal, or custom. I'm gonna select fast and do 4 times faster. And then I'm gonna go ahead and scroll to the end and find where I get the first frame of motion. Go back 1 frame from that. I'm gonna select there. I'm gonna do the same thing again. Shift B to separate the time on that. Make that 4 times faster as well. And select the middle clip. Now this time I'm going to scroll down to custom. I'm going to do automatic, and what it does is automatically read the time code, and so as you can see it's slowed down to 20%, or what was 120 frames a second being now played back at 23.98. Let's see what that looks like when we play it. Boom, yeah. For me that kind of holds a little long. So we could maybe let that custom speed or slow come up to say 50. Yeah, I like that better personally. Now you just repeat that throughout the series, matching up clips that have the motion that serves each other best or that serves your story the best.
B-roll. So let's go look for some shoes. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video and that it was helpful. If you learned anything from this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and click that bell so you can see all of our updates. We are daily vloggers on this channel, my wife Kat and I. So there will be a video tomorrow about our day or something. Also, there are a ton of other videos. This was day 32 for us of daily vlogging, so there are 31 other videos. Check them out. See what you like, comment below, and heck, link me your video of doing some B-roll. Bye.